The aerospace industry is taking flight with rising demand, increased flight hours, and accelerating innovation. But aerospace companies face siloed systems, slow digital adoption, inefficient manufacturing, and complex MRO and supply chain challenges. To stay competitive, aerospace companies must streamline design, digitalize manufacturing, and rethink operations with data at the core. At Tata Technologies, we make aerospace journeys better by integrating engineering with digital excellence, from design to in-service support. We deliver innovative end-to-end aerospace solutions from digital design and smart manufacturing to advanced MRO support. Our global engagements deliver real impact. Like when we enabled an Italian OEM to save 20% in fuselage design costs, when we helped a UK engine manufacturer achieve 30% productivity gains with digital twins, or deployed cobots for a French OEM delivering 20% higher productivity and 10% quality improvement. And when we reduced passenger-to-freighter conversion turnaround by 10% and cut costs by 50% for a Singapore MRO partner. Backed by the Tata Group ecosystem, we bring unmatched scale, shared innovation, and collaboration across the aerospace value chain. From concept to MRO, we are engineering the aerospace journey of tomorrow, today. We're committed to helping aerospace businesses design and deliver better performing aircraft. Let's engineer a better world together. Tata Technologies.